Okay, let's go see the barn. Dirty shoes. Here's the barn. All metal construction. Kind of a dark red color. It's better than the fire truck red. It's got a gambrel roof with nice overhangs. Here is the dirt problem. That's what they battled the whole time. In the side we have 8-foot door, and on the other side too. This space is 24 feet by 48, and that's 1152. And on top of those I-beams right there, we'll set the I-joist for the second floor for a total of 2304 square feet. So this room will be split in half. There's the midway point. And this part over here will be the dirty space. That's where I'll put the milling machine and the chop saws and the CNC machine, everything that creates dust and debris. On this side will be the clean room. That'll be 3D printers, laser cutters, synthesizers and computers and gadgets, whatever I'm building at the time. This door will be my main entrance. It will not exit into the abyss like it currently does. That's a big project. Okay, let's go down here and check the front. On the front is a 24-foot wide by 22-foot deep 2-car garage. Not quite tall enough for a lift, I don't think. Or we can double deck them in here. Still got to install garage doors, lighting, electrical, lots of stuff. Here's the dirt for the dirt work, which is the next step. Here's my driveway, which they've messed up pretty good. Cracked it in 4 places so far. There's the house back there somewhere. This is March 7th, 2019. Cheers.